Pause for a moment. Take a deep breath. Let the air fill your lungs and then release it. Now imagine a sea of white tombstones, each representing a life given in the ultimate sacrifice for freedom. This, my friends, is the essence of Memorial Day, born from the ashes of the Civil War. This day of remembrance has grown to honor all men and women who have fallen while serving in the U.S. military. It's a day of reflection, gratitude, and remembrance. It's not about the barbecues, the long weekend, or the start of summer. It's about the brave souls who stood tall, stared down danger, and said, "I will protect my country, my family, my friends." So on this Memorial Day, take a moment. Reflect on the price of freedom. Remember those who've paid the ultimate price. Honor them, their courage, their sacrifice, their legacy. This is Memorial Day.